Hello. Let's see if it sounds. I can't tell whether it started. Can you guys hear me? Hello. Yeah, it works. All right, so hello everyone. On this stream, I'm gonna be basically doing some development. Then I'm gonna also, if you have any questions about BBS mods, I would be happy to answer them. And basically, it's gonna be more or less chill. So far, I need to update my graphics drivers. So I'm gonna show a couple of things what happened since the previous update. Um, Hold on 1 second. See. Okay. There's some model I don't remember where I found it, but it was in my thing. So basically, I had a couple of useful things. Let's see if I can first enable streamer mode on Discord because I want to show a couple of features. Um, so many hellos. Hi. Why am I wrong with that Pokemon? It is a Pokemon. It's I don't know where I have this model from, but I found it in my DOM mod. But basically, uh, it's not just a model. It's a geo.json model. So technically, if I go to Discord, then in my server, then chameleon models. For example, I can take, let's see which interesting model. GigaChat. If I download it, then I open it, then if I go to the models, also another useful thing is now I can just take the folder, place it here, and to be immediately here added without needing to do stuff. Question, may I ask something? Friendly Septic? Yes, you can ask. It's Pikachu. Yeah, sure, it's a Pikachu. So now I have this guy, GigaChad here, and as you can see, it's a GeoJSON, and even works with animations. Wait, does it have animations? Mm, yeah, it does. Okay, so beside that, I could take and export it to .bb JSON, then remove the model, and then BBS, and now it's GeoJSON. It's a BBS.json. BBS JSON is better because it has support for extra features like well, meshes mostly. I think that's pretty much it for now. Oh, I forgot to say hi. Hello. BBS mods Giga Chat update. Yes, funky fight. Then other things is I also added a support for folders, so you could have. Wow, it's here for some reason. Um, so for folders, it's useful. You can have here. Where is that furniture? And there will be lots of different folders. It's a pack from. I sent it on Twitter. There was a very cool pack with lots of models on the. I'll just send the link. I think you. So let's see. Um, was Michael Creepers. Basically, there is lots of different resources related to Blockbuster mod in Chinese, but if you can just go here, for example, and then there is, for example, translate, um, Google Translate, and then it doesn't want to translate. There, translate the page, and then you can just it doesn't want to translate. Right. Let me try translate Google URL or URL. Hold on. And it doesn't work for me. Yeah, I'm trying to translate here. It doesn't do anything, absolutely. Oh well. But if you have like this plugin with Google Translate, you can just take time and change. I mean, and can translate individual sentences. But there is a lot of useful things. I looked through the models, the one that Michael Creeper also published on MacArthur's Pub. Then there is lots of, I think there are other people's cool animations. Um, yeah, then I think there is, I think this is, I guess it's just overview of people's resources and stuff like that. So yeah, there's just a ton of useful stuff. Wait, so I didn't, I didn't send the URL. Oh no, I did send. Well, second time, not bad. So yeah, these models I think were from that page, and so pretty cool stuff. I also have here my own models, and yeah, that's cool stuff. Beside that, let's see what else did I add. I also added so the folders for the particles. That's also very cool. Um, there's this new anchor form. So basically, it doesn't appear like it's doing anything, but it's very useful for example, I have a movie here. Let's see which one is the sword. So the character has a sword. He takes it out of the sheath and then like sheath from the back. And so how this is done is basically here is Steve. He has a couple of anchor forms which allow me to basically like attach the sword here. Oh, apparently I can finally make a nuke. Yeah, if you want to. Um, so basically these, there are two anchors. The first one would be behind the back. The other one is for this sword. Wow, this website really has. Can we add blockbuster model like one? Like one? What do you mean? Like one. This is the sword. So and then here's the sword itself. It has two keyframes from anchor here. So it changes the anchor from the first body part, which was the behind the back, to the body part there. So you can see like you can change the body parts and stuff like that, and so it changes the thing. But the way itself, if I just remove the keyframes, the sword is over here, and it's just a separate actor which can be attached to other stuff. Pretty cool. Um, let's see. Oh, that's cool. What's up, man? Hey guys, what's up? Payoneer ask, can the text have glowing? So also in this update that I'm currently working on, there is a, let's see, text is over here, and I think if I go and disable lighting, so yeah, it's also, it's, I don't know whether it's gonna glow. Let's see with shaders. Oh boy, I need to restart the thing because I disable iris whenever I develop stuff because it messes up with the hot swapping, which allows for very rapid changes. Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier and welcome to Five Nights at Freddy at Five Nights at Blockbuster Studio. No, I'm not Markiplier. Should have said like hello, my name is McCorps. Anyways, how long did it take to learn Java? It I didn't really need to learn Java because it was I already knew how to program in PHP, and it's relatively similar. There are classes, there are strings, and other cool stuff. And basically, it didn't require a lot of effort to adapt to Java. It's basically the same thing. I mean, very similar, just the static typing was a bit of a pain, but overall it was really similar. So yeah, hello world here, then imaginary, no, complementary reimagine, and then it doesn't glow, like as in it doesn't emit thing, but it's visible in the dark. So let's try placing it here. So yeah, it has lighting. I mean, it has no lighting, but at the same time, okay. So yeah, for lighting you probably need like specular and stuff. So let's see. So I have here a model, and it has a specular on it. It's basically hold on, I need GIMP. I would like to translate your videos in other languages like Hindi, Japanese, French, etc. I know much languages, so where can I send to translate videos? What do you mean? Like, I don't really need more videos on my own channel. If you want, you can put it on your own channel, and I could basically paste it in a playlist. But I don't want other videos that in other languages besides the ones that well, I have already. It sucks that there's no, I don't have the feature for let's see, for different dubbing. Okay, so here I have Steve. Steve has this texture, Steve underscore S, and basically if I go like here and here, and I go and probably like edit here. Oh, that's too big. Let's see. So if I just edit here, it's will get doesn't update. Oh, it's supposed to update. Let's see if I can also do the same thing. Oh, weird. Hmm. Okay, looks like I broke something. Because before that it would update actually. I don't know, man. That's embarrassing. So now it's broken, and I don't know why. Sucks. Okay, Vidosik says, Makhors, for the love of God, say, hello there, my name is Makhors. What if BBS has a scene object option like actors, but specifically for objects? I think it would work like a model block, but you can interact with actors. But why would it be useful? Christian makes. Friendly Sepic. Maybe you add opacity in the models because it'd be useful. It could make someone slow appear in opacity slide. By the way, sorry if it seems rude, just create something like that. I think this is already possible. Okay, so let's test. Color. Yeah, it kind of works. And then disappears because Minecraft has basically Minecraft shaders have this limitation where I can even show you. It's render type solid entity solid. No, it's not this one. It's render type entity translucent. So basically, I don't know for what reason, but they just, I guess, wanted to emulate. I don't even know why there is such a thing, but basically, if the alpha is less than 10%, then it's just gonna disappear. And here is the same principle. So as you can see, at the moment, it's let's say this is gonna be 80 and this is gonna be 100. So 100%, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. And it becomes fully, it fully disappears because there is no, well, opacity, it doesn't allow. Because the alpha, the transparency is less than 0.1. Hello, McHorse's Creations. I can offer such an idea. You can add text, lighting, adjustments, etc. I don't need at the moment any suggestions, to be honest. I already have a tons of stuff that needs to be done. Yeah. Why is there ads on live stream? I hate it. Oh, there are ads? I don't know how to disable it. I think I disabled the ad, but let's see if I can remove monetization. Let's see if it's, I think I changed it and now. Okay, it doesn't let me. Hold on. Let's see if I can change it again. Okay, I think focus on the live stream and let insertives. No, dismiss. Okay, now there shouldn't be random ads. Okay, so do you do debugging for finding issues or bugs, or how do you find them? Yes, I do debugging, but it depends really on type of bug. Sometimes there are bugs that require me to use print statements instead of breakpoints. These are usually the ones that I need to see values change a lot and like every frame instead of just one place. So this is best for printing is best for when you have to see the values change in real time. I never knew that. Thanks, it's okay. Horse, do you know a mod where you can record actors? Can you tell me how to make a beautiful camera? What are you talking about, Vidosik? And then was this, hello, how are you? I'm fine, and you? But yeah, so I just wanted to show stuff. So yes, the transparency seemed to be working. Let's see how it's gonna actually look on the video. It's what's the time? Yes, it's fine. Yeah, but the shadow is still visible there. Let's see. Yep, it works. But there's a shadow, and the shadow can be removed by, let's see. So when it fully disappears, I can probably visible, disable, and then the shadow disappears. Yep. Question: when you make updates for BBS, like a new version, will you update that version to 1.20.12? It really depends. It's not that difficult to do it, but it's annoying to do that. I did a 1.20.1 build for the previous update, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do it directly for the update, next update. So let's change. Somehow I guess I managed to screw up the specular. Let's try to find and why exactly this happens. So the specular thing is it's an iris loader. It's over here. Um, Hello, he's you. Who is you? Um, so this is fine. Back texture. So which one is that? I need the one that's Steve. Um, Over here. Um, no, that's not. It used to work, but let's see if I just think the problem was with. Okay, let's see if I. What if I just remove this? Basically, I added a feature where no Fortnite Java package. No. There's waterlogged in my phone, probably. Oh, wow. There is waterlogged in my phone, probably. Okay. So excited to. Oh, okay. It's loading. Every time I have to do something, I have to load, and it requires time. So it kind of sucks that, for example, BBS Studio, it took like 2 seconds to load. I know there's a lot of stuff that Minecraft has to load. I don't need the text on top of it. Was wrong. Config BBS. Assets. Models. Eve. So now it works. But why didn't work before? Okay, so apparently I guess that feature that I wanted it doesn't really help. There's a problem with the system that allows basically updating stuff immediately. It's the problem was is that wouldn't allow to rename the folders. So models, for example, if I take here, now it works, but if I try again, it would allow me for some reason. Okay, let's try again. Here. No, because it didn't load. Is that it? You see, it doesn't allow me anymore. So it allowed me. Oh, wait. Is there a reason for it? Interesting. So it allowed me to rename it until it loaded. Weird. Is it maybe cubic monoloader? Get asset, assets. So it's something doesn't like about it. I mean, where can okay, so there are no other places beside my Discord server. I don't know what to write, so everyone is happy with the past. Nice. Redacted said I will commit world domination. Okay. Um, let's see. So I think it's not all the features. So besides the folders here, there are also oh, so the models would also they're gonna load asynchronously. So that means if you have a ton of models, I don't know why GigaChat became textureless. Oh, GigaChat needs the texture. Um, Makars, I love your work. I have two questions. Is there a plan to add the lights to BBS mod? Is there possible to add the field, shader, or even mod features? Thanks. There is no. I don't have any plans to add better lights because there is no better lights for the newer version. If there's gonna be better lights, I would consider it. About depth of field, shader, or even that's not my responsibility. That's for the shaders developers. So if you mean like the features that allow the shader curves, then I'm not sure about it. I don't know how it works. And I don't have plans at the moment. It was Jim. Jim said it. There's a Zandir. Hello. Hello. Um, let's see what else. Then move particle, that's not important. Okay, so exports change UI, remove category, that's not interesting. Okay, so then I also added finally fixed the way no do not this day. Um, let's see, I had somewhere I not this wait is it? Nah. Yeah, I'll just make a new one. Visibility. No. Um, so let's say it's this model. I'll remove the visibility. And what basically, whoa. In the future, will there be model editor like in the Batman, or you think it'll be, wait, or do you think will be not useful? There will be model editor, but it's not gonna be like, there is no point in model editor because there is Blockbench. There will be a model configurator or whatever you want to call it, which would allow basically, I don't know how to explain. Basically, to add animations to static models, like in a Blockbuster mode, but it's not gonna be a what's called a full proper model editor. There's no point for me to make my own model editor. There is a particle editor inside because it was already there, basically, but I don't think there will be model editor. I'm excited to this mod update come out. Yeah, me too. Mr. Cowboy, hello, yo mate. Hi. Is BB coming to 1.16.5? So this is BBS mod. It's kind of like Blockbuster mod but better and but not complete yet. And it's for 1.20.4 on Fabric. As you can see, it's sodium and shaders iris. Okay, hello. Yes, Mr. Cowboy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hello. So at the moment, oh wow, it's it's me, but with a sword. Uh, this guy here. Um, so I already kind of fixed one bug. Mr. Horse, can I do village arson with this one? No, you cannot because there is no recording system. Yay! This is amazing. Kinda, yes. So what my plan was for this, I had a couple of things I wanted to do, but I don't remember. Um, I like how quick you can just disable it. Is it out or it's still in dev? It's since still in dev, and it's gonna be for a couple of months, like maybe 6 months or so. I think it's between 4 and 6. Damn unhappy for now. Eh. Okay, there are a couple of things I wanted to do. So basically there was I wanted to make a couple of fixes to it's called ah the keyframes stuff. So base keyframes. So I think I demonstrated the shader stuff, the PBR support. So now I can return it back to client so that I could restart hot swap whenever I need. Can obviously make nukes into this mod. Yeah, nukes. Of course, I saw people who played Blockbuster mod on 1.16.5. Can you make it so you could play on 1.16.5? No, there will be no 16.5. Greetings, McCord. Do you plan on keeping the version 1.20.4 or are you planning on integrating it into higher versions like 1.21? I want to keep it up to newer versions, but at the moment there is no need to. Like, for example, I don't see the benefits to invest my time at the moment into these new versions. They don't have lots of mods at the moment, and I think only the major ones like Iris and Sodium are nice. Keep up the good work, and thank you for everything you've done to Minecraft players and content creators. Much appreciated. No problem. Um, Vidashik says, they had blockbuster mode and textures that, like in 1.65, are weird. Maybe it's a resource pack. Yes, Vidashik. This is this is a resource pack. Hmm. So for the UI base keyframes, I want to render. No, it's not here. It's in UI properties. Render graph. Render rectangle. I think. Um, how would they go about it? So between objects. So first thing I want to do is basically in the display semi-transparent. So previous, I need the okay, previous no. Now I'm gonna here I kind of messed up in here with generics, so I can't have exact types, but I think it's good enough. That scripting is too complicated for me. This is not scripting, this is programming. There are no scripts here. So what I'm gonna do is, if I want to see whether the values are equal from the. You're the best, bro. I love your mod. Thank you. Yeah, 1.20.5 is a pain a lot of mods due to huge changes with more codecs data packs only, enchantment stuff, massive network rewrites, and then item and BT system being completely. Yeah. Also, hello, Azure Doom, Azure Doom. Which one is it? um. Uh. So yeah, I also read about the changes, so I think there's no point yet. Once it has, like, once the time has passed, I think it would be a good idea. For now, I don't see the point. So I don't think I need an index here. Azure is fine. Okay, nice. So where was that? The previous part? Oh, it's over here. BBS Monticles Blockbuster Snoop Dogg. No. No. How dare you? Is that it? Looks like it. So X. Okay, I grab this. Now that's how people code. They just basically take and copy paste stuff. That's modding. The color is gonna be colors that inactive and colors 50, which is half transparency. Are you still doing this fabric only? Assuming you're staying away from the method for that is fun. Yes, I am right now. The main version is 1.20.4, but the secondary version is 1.20.1 because there are very few changes. But people seem to say that there are a lot of useful mods, and just like mods in general, 1.20.1. So I also made the build in the last update. So this is probably H. No, not H. YY. No, I think I messed up something. Okay. YY. There's gonna be another one basically. And -2. And that's height. Wait, that what's this? Oh, it's width and height. That's XX. Then XX. Then this one minus XX and the YY plus 4. If they are the same, then what it should do. Hey, when do you think BBS mod will have its full release? I think it would be in 4 months or more. I think it's gonna be 6, but I don't know for sure. Most useful mods that can go with both my Oppenheimer mod. No, that's objectively not true. Mr. Crayfish Guns. That's also not gonna be useful because actors wouldn't be able to use items. Or at least they cannot right now. I don't think it's a good idea. Like, not that it's bad, but it's just very, very parkour more. Yes, all of these mods are probably not gonna work with BBS mod. The point of BBS mod is not to be blockbuster mod. It's not trying to record actors. It's like a tool for making machinimas. At the moment, you can do only animations, kind of like of a machinima style. Okay, so let's see if. I'm just kidding. Okay, cool stuff, I guess. So what should have supposed to do. So if I have here a pose and another pose, yeah, it's something like this. It's pretty close enough to what I meant. So I messed up. So inactive. It's supposed to be yellowish. And why it's so high? Oh. Duh. Yeah, so I think it should be instead of this color. Should be complete yellow. And instead of here, I would place it same values. it's supposed to didn't work. Why? Oh, okay. Because here. Um, what I need then, I guess, to do is to do here and then render it and then begin again. No, wait. What the hell? Hopefully this doesn't crash. No, it still renders on top. Let's see, box. What the heck is that? What is this? Oh, yeah, that doesn't make any sense. I want this over here, but there is context. So basically, then what I need to do is, oh boy. Oh, um, yeah, I don't understand. This is for doesn't seem like it's correctly correctly rendering. It's supposed to be at the bottom. Oh, it's over here. Mm, imbalance. And then I'm gonna render the line. What does need? Okay, that's fine. Gonna start. Okay, I have this rendered here. What is this stream? Why? Why what? What exactly is this feature supposed to be? It's supposed to, this feature is supposed to show whenever you have the same keyframe, so you could basically see that there is no changes and then remove unnecessary keyframes. I think. I don't want it to crash. Let's see if it crashes. Well, now it's better, but it doesn't seem like it's transparent now for some reason. Maybe 25? Feel right. Maybe it needs blending. Yeah, but why did it happen? Before, I don't know. There's something disabled blend. Maybe it's here? No, that's not it. Enable blend. Then something messed it up. As you can see, you could see that it's the same, but if I go and change it, it's gonna be different. So it's supposed to basically identify where the keyframes are the same. Looks good to me. 70 and then somewhere in the middle. Nice. Um, okay, so let's see again. What was that? Say that. Highlight same keyframes. Yeah. And another one thing I had to fix is basically if you have I need a new one. So create a camera. Then let's see, create an actor. Oh. And now, what I want to do is basically, whoa, what happened there? Oh, oh, okay, but then when I have an actor, and if I, for example, change the pose, what I probably should do is, hmm, So I basically need to preserve the duration of this one and then create a new keyframe with different, no, of the same, basically. Okay, basically I'm gonna show right now. No, probably. So if I take and for example elastic out, if I create here, then the elastic is gonna be different. For example here, what I wanted to make is that so elastic would be with force duration like this. So the value is gonna be saved over here. I think this is done this pretty easily. The properties insert, I think. So here. Zoom is gonna be copied and then it's interpolated. So the keyframe is gonna be inserted here, but if segment A, no, interpolation is not in, linear. Wait, what? Oh, what was that? It was interpolation. Linear. Then that case. The increments interpolation. Oh boy. Then I could say segment.a set duration is the segment.b and wait. You get tick minus segment.a dot. So I need to make it integer. Let's see if it works. And I also think for the new keyframes I need to give a different interpolation. Or not. Okay, let's just try that. Create update. Now it seems to be correct, but if I don't like it, I would then something here. Where? I thought it's supposed to. It's how it's gonna be. Gonna look with. Yeah, there is no way to make it absolutely the same. What if we're gonna change? Hmm. And this doesn't work. Okay, let me see. But this was okay. Well, sometimes the chat doesn't update for some reason. But okay, so whereas a BBS mod make this video. I don't know what it means. Um, bro, please how to install BBS mod. It's not out. I'm getting difficult. It will be out in 6 months later. Will old dragon be better? He looks like animatronic. Hello everyone. Hello. Uh, Denominator says, but BBS is a program. BBS Studio is a program. BBS mod, on the other hand, it's mod. Mm, okay. Will it have support for RVC v2? I remember your comment, and I don't know. I don't think so. It has 11 labs only because I used 11 labs for some time, and I decided to keep it in BBS mode. Mm. Yeah, that's a really weird approach. Um, it would be nice probably to see how it actually looks like, but sadly it's not possible. Like unlike here, you can go and see if stuff is changed. For example, here. Yes, like, mm, I think I more or less like this approach, even though it's still linear. For example, um, okay, 30. No, I don't need this. So it's like this, and I need to remove this keyframe. Hmm. In theory, it's supposed to work correctly because the... Oh, wait. No, it was already created, interpolated. Oh my gosh, BBS mod is a wonderful mod. Thank you very much. TMPCS. I don't remember what it stands for, but thank you. Okay, I think. Um, I think it's more or less okay. It's not perfect, but can I do something? I don't really like that it doesn't have smooth. Basically, I don't know how to explain it. Let me see. Let's see and whether it's how it works here. So it's 20 and this is 50. So this 35 is supposed to be exactly 0.5. No, it's too early. This mode will BBS mode have interpolation editor like some animation programs have for making a custom interpolation? I don't know. At the moment there is a Bezier, so you can, for example, take here, um, then you can switch to Bezier. Wait, that's not Bezier. And then make something like this. But for interpolation, there is no such thing yet. I was thinking about redoing the way interpolation work. That actually could kind of work. Yeah, I would have to think about it. It's not really easy at the moment to do that. Would require some major rewrites, I think. But it's only for entity frames, which could be used for the eyes and stuff like this. Um, so I think I am gonna accept it. No, wait, I was debugging it. Um, so here 35. So let's step into it. What's x? 0.5 exactly. So this is a correct value. Splines. No, it's not. It's not a spline. So I was showing splines over here. These guys have Bezier, but it's only over here. These guys don't have because like it's not possible to actually do that. I would probably need to rewrite the way keyframes are stored for it to work. So, Funky, if you're still here, you said it would be a good idea to have like basically. Oh boy. So it'd be a good idea to have, for example, if you have okay, why didn't it work? Let's say you have here potential out, and if I place a keyframe, then it wouldn't kind of like break continuity. Okay, so if I do like this, let's see. No. Weird. Now it looks much better. Yeah, this is messed up. Now it looks fine, and I'm not sure why. Great. Yeah, I'll leave it as this. I think it's still a useful feature. Hmm. That's weird. Oh, it's not linear. Yeah, it feels like it's not correctly. It's okay. Yeah, I think it's okay, it's useful. Okay, now I have a very important feature that has to be. What? Why is it like this? I guess the variables. No, the variables hasn't changed. Oh boy. There you go. That's interesting. Okay, so I have here Steve, and what I'm planning on doing is basically um, so implementing the animations. The oh, come on. Steve has config enter. No, not config. It's procedural animator. It basically here I have here I will have ability to specify like what's called procedural animations for blockbuster like models. I don't know how to explain. At the moment, it's kind of messed up. It's not working correctly, and it looks like whenever I crouch, it also. So let's try starting with that. So for sneaking, I need to find the bit here. Player entity is sneaking. And also, yeah, and also swimming pose. Mm, so I started working on it, so I didn't have to animate, but still pretty basic. It's only for limbs right now. It's kind of starts resembling the character, um, but it's not done basically. Now you see the arm is kind of looks like, but it's not it. Looks very similar, but it's not it. So that's what I need to kind of fix. First, I want to start with um, but when I sneak, the model kind of goes under the ground. Okay, maybe it's not done. Maybe it's done in entity renderer dispatcher. Position offset. There. Nope. Still nope. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. I'll have to cancel out. Position. And if, let's see, well, it's transition, check delta. This is info. So if the form, so as you can see, it sinks under the ground. So what I'm trying to do is so it wouldn't sink. And I think this should be enough. Let's see if it actually works. I'm not sure, but sometimes YouTube thing doesn't show new comments. So if there are new comments, I probably will. It seems like I'm not always seeing them immediately, at least. I like this message. And I don't want to update the graphic drivers yet. Interesting. Why? Oh, think anyone's comments. Okay. Play range to render. Wait. No, I don't need to load. Let's see. Ours, please buy subscription boosty. Yeah, no one's okay. Then that's cool. Okay. I'm just gonna do it this way. And now it works. Let's see if it actually works. Hey, now it's fine. And if I okay, this works now. Need to finish with animation. So there are this seems to be working, but I think it doesn't work. This animation doesn't work like here. If I go back, I need probably a bigger pull. Right. And let's see how this is done. The animation for swimming. There's player. Jane in Minecraft. What the heck? What's up? Bro animation, please. Bro animation, please. I'm not sure what you're trying to say. I need to see where this linear animation is from. If I will need also player entity. Nope, not here. Interesting. So linear pitch only. But the body also moves in the direction where I guess besides linear pitch there is also, let's see what other stuff there is. It's over here. Mm. Like it's touching water. Mm. Lama cards. I create machine about kingdoms with the blockbuster mod. That's very cool. Mm. What's it about specifically? Small flying. What the heck is this? Hmm. Yeah, that didn't work out. They have kind of the similar pose. So am I still flying, I guess. Interesting. But here I am swimming. Yeah, there's no, no animation. Um, in 0 and K. If it's in the water, I guess, then I guess let's start with IC. So let's try at least getting some variables that we can use. Um, for swimming. Yeah, I guess it's gonna be also 0. Um, I have to do this. He's touching water. Oh, that's very, I see. Yeah, I need this. I need this. Then in here, this is go animator. Hey, could you help me please? I want to change zombie and any other mob pose. How can I do this? Yeah, it's about BBS. Yeah, let's try leaning. So here, At the moment I just hard coded so that I could at least quickly check whether stuff works. And later on I'm gonna refactor it. Now that this specific bone has this, so then I can, let's see, where it was it? Render. J is pitch, entity. Yes, maybe. Oh, I need to restart anyways. So I, what's I? It's a linear pitch. In that case, then group that current rotation.x equals L. New pitch, then the final pitch. I replay. Hello, hello. Let's see if it works. It's compiling. Hey. Okay, it kind of works. Now I need to think for the head. There's additional. Hmm. Figure it of the head. Hmm. So I need a head pitch and linear pitch. So here that should be 0. What happens if I... Bradley McHolves. You managed to go to bit today. Yeah, thank you. I'm about to sneeze. Oh boy. Oh, it can still do that. That's nice. Let's see what it actually does. So, there are two angles, angle 1 and 2. F is an... McHolves. That's a really weird way to spell McHolves. Yeah, I think this is too boring. I'm gonna finish this feature later today. Yeah. So I don't think I have anything else to do because I want to return back what's happening here. Kind of nothing is happening. So yeah, we'll try to finish uh, this procedural animation system today and tomorrow, and then I would probably work on the model configure, like not an editor, but model menu that allows you to configure the animation states so that you could basically pick which properties you want which limbs to animate or something like that. Let's see what else. Yeah, that's it, I think. Um, I'm bored. Sorry. So yeah, this is boring. We love watching do, do this kind. Well, I kind of bored myself. And I think I feel exhausted. But yes, basically, I'm gonna go. I think this kind of work, even I don't have to try out lots of stuff, doesn't really makes it easier on the stream. If I'll have features that is easy to do on the stream, I'll do probably stream again. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and bye-bye. I don't have a feature with the camera, so basically, yeah, bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.